Guys, I just found out that I wasn't even recording. So here's a Bryant Evolution. So I hit the jackpot. Here's a Bryant Evolution. I don't think it's a heat pump, but it is an inverter. 2016 5-ton. Yeah, it's not a heat pump. Now here's these two refrigeration components. This one's running in cool mode. Oh my goodness, it's frozen. Okay. Alright, so I'm definitely going to get a shot of this Bryant. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.